Now, breaking down some complex terms that you might have been hearing about some crypto words or something. Now, let's look at the word EVM chain. EVM, what does EVM chain mean? EVM means Ethereum Virtual Machine. And what it means that it is just an environment, an Ethereum machine that smart contract runs. Okay, so if any other developer want to create any other chain and want to use this EVM chain, this Ethereum virtual machine, it means that that EVM chain will share the same infrastructure as Ethereum, which means that there are so many things that it will have in common with other cryptos that has been created on that EVM chain. And by so doing, it means that if it's being used on a wallet, it will share some things like an address system, and alongside other chain. So that's what EVM stands for, Ethereum Virtual Machine. Just an Ethereum environment that smart contract runs, and other. If a developer decides to use this EVM chain to create their own crypto, it means that they will spend less. All they need to do is just minor editing, and then the crypto runs. So some cryptos that you may know that is on EVM chain already, Ethereum is an EVM chain crypto. Then we have the BNB chain, we have the Avalanche chain, we have even the Robinhood chain that just got created is running on EVM chain. Now, how does this affect you? Now, you will notice that on your Trust Wallet, Ethereum, BNB, Avalanche, Robinhood, and Arbitrum and the rest of other ones, you will discover that they are using the same address. Now, even when it comes to your exchange, if you want to copy Ethereum address, discover that it's the same with BNB address, but that shouldn't give you the right to send crypto to the same address, to maybe send BNB to Ethereum address on an exchange. Most times it doesn't always end well, so don't do that. The coin will be lost or might be lost, because it's just now that some exchanges are adopting this EVM chain. They are making it users able to send crypto to the same address that they copied, as long as it's EVM chain. But as long as it's on a wallet, EVM chain, whatever coin is sent to that EVM chain, as long as it's an EVM-compatible chain, it will reflect. So if you go on X as well, you see some people use Ethereum address on their bio, and they'll be like, send any EVM coin there and then I'll get it. That's because if you send any coin, any token, even the token that is created today, if you send it on that EVM chain to them, they will receive it. So EVM chain, I believe now you understand it, and now you can start utilize. So when someone mentions, or maybe when they're talking about EVM chain, you just know what it means. Comment your own in the comment section. Let's see.